sports program through the Emraa means is likened to Ecclesiastes 3 verse 2.
This event is not just about competition, but it is also about teamwork, perseverance, and the spirit of sportsmanship.
For sport is more than a contest of strength or speed. It is a test of character.
نعيشوها تشالنج مستحيل will happen هذه هي الاتيتيود.
There is a time for everything under the heavens. A time to plant and a time to harvest.
Then comes the end. Sometimes I win again. Then comes the end. The steps for success.
Regional Training Director named Ben John Caballero said, and I quote, "In my 28 years as Regional Training Director, this is the best hosting of Inimraa as we experience excellent accommodation and full support from the host."
To take the lessons you've learned here and carry them with you in all areas of your life. Continue to inspire one another to reach new heights, and may the spirit of sportsmanship continue to thrive in Northern Mindanao. Congratulations, everyone.